क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेन देन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध न हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।
Welcome to the first AI-generated price analysis. This week, we will cover Bitcoin, Polygon's Matic, and Cardano's ADA. But, first, the market update. What all happened in the previous week? A bit of respite from the falling market, as the total crypto market cap climbed to the $850 billion level, starting the year around the $800 billion mark. ENS domain registrations soar in 2022. Ethereum name service, which lets users convert their Ethereum wallet address into names humans can read, has seen over 2.2 million ENS domain registrations in 2022. That's more than 80% of the total ENS domains registered since the project's launch. Now moving to the next part, price analysis first, the world's largest cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Finally, good news coming for Bitcoin, as it has broken above the $17,000 level of 14,68,000 rupees, which had turned extremely resistant for a while now. Going by the 4-hour chart and daily chart, Bitcoin's near-term future is looking pretty positive. It has given a breakout above the 50 EMA slope, giving a bit of psychological support. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is moving higher toward the overbought territory and making a higher high pattern, indicating the bulls are charging ahead of the bears. A break above 15,25,000 rupees could send Bitcoin towards the 16,20,000 rupees or above $18,000 level. Cardano ADA. Second on our list is ADA, the top gainer of the week among the top 10 cryptos. ADA has gained over 23% over the last 7 days at the time of recording. ADA will continue to be in focus in 2023 as there are 3 major releases lined up in 2023, to new stablecoins and scalability solution Hydra. So, hopes are running high for investors. Looking at the daily chart, ADA has broken above the 50 EMA slope but is finding resistance at the 27 rupees and 16 paise level to further break. It is experiencing a bit of selling pressure, but the 50 EMA slope is likely to provide immediate support and can bring back buyers. If later during the day, if the broader market gets support from Nasdaq, ADA can resume its upward momentum. A break above 28 rupees and 30 paise level will be extremely crucial. Keep a watch on RSI to check the momentum of the market. Matic. There has been a lot of price action in Matic in the last few days and has gained close to 8.2% in the last 7 days, making it the top 3 gainers among the top 10 cryptos. Movement, where almost $8 million worth of Matic tokens were transferred to Binance. Looking at the daily chart, Matic is now trading close to its next resistance place at 73 rupee level. However, due to slow market conditions, after the recent rally in the market, Matic is facing a bit of difficulty breaking above. Later today, if Matic breaks above the 73 rupee level, the next major resistance is placed at 80 rupees. RSI is also moving higher from the neutral line, indicating strength in momentum. However, keep a check on broader market momentum before taking any long trades. Price analysis will be incomplete if we don't mention LTC and SOL. SOL is outperforming the market by a huge margin and quickly climbed up the rank, currently being the 11th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, overtaking Litecoin. SOL has gained over 40% in the 7 days, but we recommend extreme caution as it can be a pump. On-chain activity is still depressed and still plagued with technical issues. So, handle with care.
क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेन देन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध न हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।